facing the rising sun.
What's going on, everybody? I hope y'all are well and in good health. And a special shout out to my Jerry Tones. I love y'all and I love everybody. So if you don't know who I am, I'm going to tell you who I am right now. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this awesome studio, the Jaren M. LeGrand Studio. I am so excited to hear her sing this song, and I have not watched this because I wanted to watch it with you all. So I'm excited to hear her and this wonderful choir sing together on this song, okay? So I'm excited. So as I always say, this is more so an analysis, not a reaction. So if you don't like starting and stopping a lot and talking about things as they happen, then go on to the other video or click the link below to watch the video in full without me talking. But if you don't mind the kind of stuff of talking about things as they happen in the moment and starting and stopping a little bit, then stick around because it's the channel and the video for you. So y'all, let's do it. Here is Sheryl Ralph singing Lift Every Voice and Sing.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring.
I love watching her win and just kind of where she is right now, how she's really doing her thing. I just want to say that. But did you hear sing, lift every voice and sing? That kind of had an aspirate, breathy quality to it. Sing. And a slight throw at the end of it. Sing till earth and heaven ring. So her vocal tract is probably nice and wide in the recording of this. And she's low-key giving us some Dreamgirls energy here, which I'm very here for because y'all know she was in Dreamgirls. If y'all don't know, now you do. She was the original cast of Dreamgirls on Broadway. And she's giving us a little Dreamgirl energy here just in terms of how she's using her arms and how she's positioning her body and kind of how she's using the pacing of the vocal line. Lift every voice and sing. So every vowel is really pronounced and really purposeful in delivery.
Ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise.
Let our rejoicing rise. It wasn't rise. She kind of had more of a beefier take on the vowel. Rise. So that cricoid is probably tilted for a little bit to give that beefy sound. Rise. And there's a little bit more length in the vowel too. Let our rejoicing rise. Rise. Yeah.
High as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea.
Did you hear resound? Resound. That D. Resound. There was a pronounced D there. Really voiced D. You can pronounce some consonants in terms of voicing. You can voice some consonants. Resound.
A song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song.
Now she changed the pacing. It was kind of more of like a ballad or kind of something slower. Then she kind of doubled it up to a march. Like kind of like a waltz march. Yeah. And she's now kind of punching the words a little bit. Bum bang dum bang da bang dang gum bang dang dang.
Full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun.
That choir, these peel-offs and how they're playing with the harmonies. Wow. Oh, they so good. I love this choir, okay? I want to be a part so bad. If y'all watch this, I can sing too. I promise y'all, I was in choirs. I know how to do it. No, I love y'all. I really do. And shout out to Jason White and everything. I love y'all so much. I'm a huge fan.
Oh, day begun. Let us march on.
Let us march on. You hear the choir? Let us march on. It wasn't let us march on. It was let us march on. It's that percussive pronunciation I keep talking about when they do the marching right here. She's like, let us march on. She did the same thing. Then the choir, let us march on. So they're really driving it in this waltz march, if you will.
Let us march on. Let us march on.
Let us march on. So the choir had a little glottal onset or a glottal stop. Let us march on. They had a glottal stop and then they kind of continued the word on. But the word on was broken up. Let us march on. Kind of like that.
Let us march on.
Let us march on. So her mouth is more open here. You can hear that she's getting higher. Let us march on. And she kind of has that more deep sound here. A little more of a beefier belt here as she's ending the song. They could have kept that vamp going a little bit longer. Let us march on. Listen, that could have went somewhere, okay? Let us march on till victory is won. Listen, I could have went somewhere, okay? If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below. Then click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And give this video a like and a thumbs up if you can so we can get some more people. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. All right, so I love you. I'll see y'all soon.